Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for another Anfield Road expansion update. So going to have a little look around. Going to touch one more time on this VAR debacle, if you like. So the audio came out yesterday. Everyone's probably heard what the audio said. You can hear the panic in the officials' voices. Now today, Jurgen Klopp's done his press conference and he's kind of said that a replay would be the right decision. And loads of people have come out saying, well, you know, what about the ghost goal against Chelsea? That should have been replayed. Henry's handball against Ireland, that should have been replayed. But the thing is, for them, there was no goal line technology. So the goal was given on pitch. Everyone agreed it was a goal. But, you know, all the officials agreed it was a goal at the time. So the goal got given. We've never had this where a legitimate goal got scored. It was given as a goal, as being onside, and it should have been a goal. That should have been on the score sheet and wasn't awarded as a goal. So that's why there's a call for a replay. But myself, I think we should just put it to bed. Let it be a learning curve for the officials and just see where it goes from there. So I'll leave that there. Now, got a dog right by me, panting away. Right, so see what's going on here. It's obviously going to be bricklayers, isn't it? Yeah, so the brickies will finish up over that side there. I should put everyone's OCD to rest once that section of the wall is being completed. Is there any more to be finished along here? You know, well, that'll be it, won't it? A little bit over there. Yeah, I've been to university today. This is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon now, so yeah, I've finished for the day at uni. I've started my dissertation, started my introduction to my dissertation. But what I might need your input during the course of this thing, you know, because it's a photography degree, digital imaging and photography. My dissertation's about my YouTube channel, how I started, and you know, it's about fandom, if you like, you know, how people got their information for football teams, you know, way back into the 1800s, going to the modern day of football, and how it's progressed over time and over history. So I might need people's input of how social media, fanzines, if you like, I've given you information. So I'm not going to ask just yet, but it'll be something along them lines. And I might just ask you to like give me a comment on what this channel means to you. Okay, you might not like it, that would be helpful to me. You might really like it, that would be helpful to me. So just little things that I might need you to comment on at one point in some video, but I'll let you know in due course. Sorry to waffle about that, but I may need input going forward to get my dissertation finished. There doesn't seem to be a lot going on this side. I can hear machinery over the right hand side. I think that's the lifts with the bricklayers on. Let's just have a quick look on the grounds. Yeah, there's nothing else I can see apart from the lifts. I think I picked a prime time of day for the dog walkers. If you notice, they go quiet at times because when people are walking past me, I don't like talking. I feel like I'm talking to myself, and it's something that I need to get over, which I haven't quite mastered yet. Right, so right, I'm high enough. I'm going to get over the stand now and have a look at how the seat's getting on. And I know I mentioned yesterday that I'll take a big arc on this. That those 8 seats were new, and they're not. They're totally not new. I don't know. I just don't seem to have noticed them before. But yeah, they were there before Buckingham went bump, so they've been there, you know, since the dawn of time, if you like. I just want to see how they're getting on with the seats. Getting the pitch ready for tomorrow night's game against Lask. Is it Lask? No, it's not. It's against the Union. Yeah, SG. Get some strong wind warnings. I just want to see how these seats are getting on here. Yeah, they're all perfectly in place now. If you see, they're all straight. They're all in line. They've all been fitted properly now. Brilliant. That's took 3 days to get a big section done. Wonder where the next ones are going to go then. Because I'm going to have a good look at in my match day vlog tomorrow, so I don't want to get too low and start losing signal, etc. So I'll have a good look at that tomorrow in my match day vlog. How far back the seats actually go. Because although I can see these here, they might go further back, which you can't see whatever level you get. Even flying over from the cop. That's why I start flying over from the cop, because you can't see right at the back. And those 8 seats really made me look stupid yesterday, them ones there. But you live and learn. I just never noticed them. Out of the posh seats, I thought it was just that middle section there, but I never noticed them 8. Okay, so it's looking alright there. Them seats are being fixed into place. Let me just saw a guy there, then let's just see what he's doing. Oh no, it's not. It's just high-vis vest hanging over the thing. Okay. Okay, still not on there. People keep asking about that corner. I don't think that'll be done till next season, you know. If you notice when teams build stands or upgrade the stadium, there will be little corners, and then later on it'll be an afterthought where they throw in extra seats. This isn't an afterthought. It's obviously something that's been in the planning, but I don't think they're in any rush to get them in because there's not many seats. It'll either get done towards the end of this season or be ready for next season. Just like a lot of the work now, I don't think it'll all be ready for this season. Yeah, I can hear, oh, yeah, I can see something moving over there now, sorry. I was being annoyed at there before. Oh, it's in the park. It's a lawnmower. Where is he? Behind the edge line, so I think he's behind these trees here. He's playing hide and seek with me. There he is. Yeah, there's the culprit. Right, it's okay. So the bricklayer's there. Them seats are now fixed and in place. Let's have a look along here. That's looking a lot neater along there now as well, isn't it? So you can see where the shape of the road's going to go. people are saying it won't be a road. It will be a road. It's just not going to be a very wide road, which Anfield Road's not a wide road anyway. When cars are parked up, it's a nightmare getting down it. Getting up and down it, you know, when there's two-way traffic. So, as passing points go, that'll be an easier part to pass because there's not going to be anything parked there. Right guys, going to leave it there. Covered a little bit. Those seats are now in place and fixed. Brickwork on the left hand side there is almost complete. That should be done today. So that when I come tomorrow, if I come tomorrow, that'll be done. Because I'm in uni again tomorrow. Yeah, the grass is getting cut. Exciting times. Now I did ask the question last time of, you see like there's a bit of a rabbit run. You know, there's long grass and short grass, and that long grass is quite, it's been cut down, not to be fair, but it's quite long, and it's to encourage wildlife, you know, bees, insects and all that. And yeah, I get it. Just that when it's raining, you get soaked walking through it. But I suppose it's my fault for not walking on the short part of the grass. So yeah, thanks to everyone who answered that question when I asked it a long time ago. Right guys, thanks for everything. Been getting a lot of support over the last few days, which I appreciate. If you like the channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to get as high as I can before this stand stops and I move on to other projects. Comments, I always reply to the comments, unless I can't reply to the comments. And likes are always appreciated as well. But apart from that guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Look after yourselves. I'll see you all soon. Bye now.